Live simply, love generously, care deeply, speak kindly, leave the rest to God. The future doesn't belong to the light-hearted. It belongs to the brave. Never let the things you can't do stop you from doing what you can. I know in my heart that man is good, that what is right will always eventually triumph, and there is purpose and worth to each and every life. Here you discover that so long as books are kept open, then minds can never be closed. There are no such things as limits to growth, because there are no limits to the human capacity for intelligence, imagination, and wonder. I've heard that hard work never killed anyone, but I say, why take the chance? I was not a great communicator, but I communicated great things. We don't have $1 trillion debt because we haven't taxed enough. We have $1 trillion debt because we spend too much. Surround yourself with great people, delegate authority, get out of the way. If history teaches anything, it teaches that self-delusion in the face of unpleasant facts is folly. Freedom is never more than one generation away from extinction. Politics is not a bad profession. If you succeed, there are many rewards. If you disgrace yourself, you can always write a book. If we're free to dare, and we are, if we're free to give, and we are, then we're free to shape the future and have within our grasp all that we dream the future will be. I hope we once again have reminded people that man is not free unless government is limited. They had that special grace, that special spirit that says, give me a challenge and I'll meet it with joy. Just think how happy you'd be if you lost everything you have right now and then got it back. For years, I've heard the question, how could an actor be president? I've sometimes wondered how you could be president and not be an actor. I do believe that an AK-47 machine gun is not a sporting weapon or needed for defense of a home. Recession is when your neighbor loses his job. Depression is when you lose yours. And recovery is when Jimmy Carter loses his.